We're going to use this board to demonstrate how we can use the smoke machine to find exhaust leaks. You put into the side you're going to run the smoke in, put our smoke machine into the end of the tailpipe probe. Make sure you do this when the cat's cooled down. Otherwise, a fully lit off catalytic converter is going to do what its job is intended. It's going to eat smoke. You don't want that happening. So let it cool down a bit, roll some smoke in, and see where it leaks out. Well, didn't take long. I got my remote down here right by the front of the muffler, and we've got a leak. Looks like we're going to have to put a new muffler clamp on at the very least. Maybe a muffler. Piece of cake.